browsing the Pinterest and I came across something that looked like spinach on a pizza, and I was like, ooh, what if I made spinach artichoke dip on a pizza? So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so super easy. First, take your artichokes and you're gonna drain them. Alright, so you're gonna take your artichokes and you're gonna drain them. Now, take your artichoke hearts and cut them up into smaller pieces. So just make sure the artichokes are in nice little bite-sized pieces for your pizza. Okay, now put those in a bowl. Put that in a bowl. Artichokes in the bowl. Artichokes in the bowl. Artichokes in the bowl. Okay, we're gonna take spinach and drain it. But I say don't get rid of a lot. Don't get rid of all the juice because we want it to be a little bit green. Okay, mix that together. All right, to this mixture, we're gonna take some cream cheese. It's gonna be about a 1/4 cup of cream cheese. So what I'm really doing is taking a scaled down version of how I make spinach and artichoke, and then I'm gonna put it on the pizza. Put the knife in the sink so we don't stab ourselves. Okay, so now we're gonna take sour cream, just like a 1/4 of a cup, and I want you to mix these. Next, you mix these together. To the mixture, I'm gonna add this nature seasoning. It's like a garlic, salt, and pepper. I don't know, but it tastes good. And then I'm gonna put some crushed red pepper flakes and cheese. So when I make spinach and artichoke dip, I usually use Parmesan. Parmesan.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
And Parmigiano Reggiano.
And Parmigiano Reggiano.
Mozzarella.
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 Okay, so now you stir. While you're doing this, make sure you're preheating your oven to 425. Okay, so now time to top the pizza. baking sheet with parchment paper because I'm a lazy bitch and I don't want that on my pan. Okay, if you have not seen these, they have these at Kroger's, H-E-B. This is the best brand for cauliflower crust that I found so far. The Trader Joe's brand tasted like rice patties of mushy. When we cooked it, it was gross. Like gross. Not me using the term lightly, like it was nasty. Like I didn't want to eat the pizza. Like I was eating the pizza and then I was just like, better not. Better not. Better not.
Yeah.
Better not.
Yeah.
Okay. So you take your beautiful crust. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. It seems kind of thin, but I feel like when you cook it, it tastes thicker. I don't know. Okay, so make sure that it's real mixed up good. It's real mixed up good. So I'm trying to make this layer not too thick, but not too thin because it's the only topping, so really pudding. It's just gonna be this, so try to balance it out as you would prefer your pizza to taste. Okay, where was I? Putting toppings on the pizza. I'm really hoping this isn't gross because I love spinach and artichoke. So I put just a little bit more seasoning and I'm just going to put a little sprinkle of cheese on top. Okay, now this goes into the oven. Okay, so now that just cooks for about 15 to 20 minutes and we'll try it when it comes out the oven. Pizza out the oven. Pizza out the oven.
cards, and not cue cards like on the wall, but like he's reading from an outline. Several times he pulls it, and you can see like he looks down at the outline to make sure that he's covering everything that's on his outline. And that could be that he just scripted it himself. It doesn't necessarily mean that James Charles or anybody else told him what language to use in the video. Also, it was interesting some of the language that he uses. And we're going to get into in a second. But what's interesting to me, okay, first of all, is that he took down the video. Now, there could be a lot of reasons for that. The fact that he took it down twice is extremely interesting to me. Usually, you know, like if you take down a video and you leave it down, it's because I just don't have that video up there anymore. If you take down the video and you edit it or cut something out, it has to be because you didn't want somebody to say what you said before, blah, 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 whatever, okay? Well, the video that he re-uploaded the second time is the exact same video as the first time. So there's no edits out of it, if that makes sense. Like he hasn't taken anything posted a month ago is still up. And that video is still up, which is interesting to me that he left that one up where he makes all the accusations and he hasn't taken that one down. You would think if you came out with an apology video saying that everything that I said in that last video wasn't necessarily the case, it wasn't necessarily true, and I just want to actually have written down exactly what he says. The original video that he put down. So then I'm thinking, well, why would he have taken down the original video? Well, maybe somebody had to approve that video. Speculatively, allegedly, I don't know. Maybe James Charles had to see the video before he posted it and say, yeah, that's an okay apology. Go ahead, you can put that out there. I want to say this before I get, and I know I'm at 8 minutes and 5 seconds, and I have a lot of things to say about this video. I don't think this.
Okay, this is the final product. Spinach and artichoke dip pizza. Let's get a slice and try it. Oh. That's good. That's real good. Okay. It's really hot. But it is delicious. Okay. I'll definitely recommend this recipe. Okay. I think I like it. I think I should have done like Alfredo sauce or something. Okay, my thoughts on this pizza. I think it's good. For sure. That's tasty. Alright, and that's gonna do it for this cauliflower. Alright, and that's gonna do it for this spinach and artichoke dip cauliflower crust pizza. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Justine. What up, what up, what up? And today I'm gonna